Everyone, this is Lalita Singh and you are going to study science with me in class 8. Today we are discussing fourth part of chapter 2, that is called microorganism. In our previous video we have discussed all the topic present in the chapter, and now we are going to discuss the question answers of this chapter. So let's begin. This is your first question, checkpoint 1. The first question is checkpoint 1. Answer in one word. The first question of checkpoint 1 is, what is the study of microorganism called? It is called microbiology. Second question, what are the fungus that obtain food from dead and decaying organism matter called? They are called saprophytic fungus. Okay, they are called saprophytic fungus. Third question, what is green sheet like slippery mass floating on the surface of stagnant water is called? It is called algal bloom, or we can say algae. Okay, question number 4, which microorganism are the connecting link between living and non-living thing? These are viruses. So this is all about checkpoint 1. Now we are moving toward the checkpoint 2. See over here, this is the checkpoint 2. Answer in one word. The first question is, name the vaccine used to prevent tuberculosis. This is called BCG. Okay, BCG. Next is, what are the disease causing microorganism called? They are called pathogen. Okay, they are called pathogen. Next question, which insect bite cause malaria? It is female Anopheles mosquito whose bite causes malaria. Okay, now next question number 4, name the disease caused by fungus in grapes. It is called mildew, MILDEU, mildew. Okay, next question number 5, what is the transmission mode of jaundice? The transmission mode of jaundice is contaminated water. Next is checkpoint 3. Okay, true or false? Anabaena nostocs are nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Yes, it is true. They are nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. Now next question, second number, nitrosomas oxidizes ammonia into nitrate. It is also true. Third question, nitrobacter is a denitrifying bacteria. No, it is false. Okay. Fourth question, by salting bacteria die due to loss of water. Yes, it is true. So first one is true, second one is true, third one is false, whereas fourth one is still true. Now practice time. Question A. Question number A. Take the correct answer. Which of the following categories are the viruses fall into? This is microbe. Okay. Second question, which of the following gases is fixed into nitrogenous compound by blue-green algae into the soil? It is nitrogen. Okay. Third question, microorganisms are used in the manufacture of all of these things are manufactured by use of microorganism. Fourth number question, the disease that spread through air, water and food physical contact is called communicable disease. Option C is your correct answer. Meat and fish are preserved by using fishes are preserved by using salt. Okay, now second question, correct and rewrite the following statement. The first question is, bacteria reproduce inside the living organism only. No, it is the virus that is reproducing in the. Okay, so the first answer is virus. Virus reproduce inside the living organism only. Now second question is, ringworm is a protozoan disease. No, ringworm is not a protozoan disease, but it is a fungal disease. What is this? A fungal disease. Okay, answer is fungal. Next, third question is, tuberculosis transmitted by water? No, it is transmitted by air. Okay, it is transmitted by air. Fourth question, malaria spread by the bite of dog? No, it is spread by the bite of mosquito. Okay, it is spread by the bite of mosquito. Now, nitrobacter is nitrogen fixation bacteria that live in the root nodules of legume. No, it is not nitrobacter. You have to cut the nitrobacter here. And you have to write rhizobium instead of nitrobacter. The spelling is R H-I-Z-O-B-I-U-M, rhizobium. Okay. Next. Okay, class. Right. Sorry, very short answer type of question. The first question is, which microbe cause curding of milk? It is lactobacillus. Okay, lactobacillus, which causes curding of milk. Lactobacillus. CILUS. ठीक है. Next is, which microbe converts sugar solution into alcohol? It is yeast. Yeast convert sugar into alcohol. Third question, which bacterium causes spoilage of canned food? It is called Clostridium botulinum. Okay, the spelling is Clostridium, Clostridium botulinum. Okay, over here, over here we are not having space, that is why I am writing it below, Clostridium. Next question, which microbe causes tobacco mosaic disease? It is tobacco mosaic virus. You have to just write down tobacco mosaic virus. Okay, tobacco mosaic virus causes tobacco mosaic disease. Next question, which microbe form cottony mass on the moist bread slice? It is mucor. Okay, mucor, or you can write fungus. Okay, it is MUCOR, mucor or fungus, which causes the white cottony mass on the moist bread slice. Now next move toward the D section. Short answer type of question. Name the 5 group in which microorganisms are divided. Which group of microorganisms have only single cell individual? So the 5 group is what? Bacteria, okay, bacteria, fungus, algae, protozoa, and virus. Okay, these are the 5 group of microorganism. Among this, bacteria and protozoa are the one which is unicellular or single cell individual. Okay, these two are the protozoa, and bacteria are the one which is having a single cell structure. Now next is, why viruses are considered as connecting link between the living and non-living things. Just move for this answer in the page where viruses are mentioned. Okay, see, from here you have to write, viruses are regarded as connecting link between the living and non-living because they behave as living inside the living cell and non-living as outside. So here, up to this point you have to write from here to here. Alright, this 2 line you have to write. Now next question is, what causes food poisoning? Okay, eating spoiled food item causes food poisoning. You will write the answer of second question is. Third question, what is food poisoning? What causes food poisoning? The consumption of spoiled food item cause food poisoning, or eating of spoiled food item is called food poisoning. Now question number 4, what are communicable disease? Name 4 communicable disease. Okay, for that you have to move in the communicable disease portion. See, the answer is given in page number 33. The disease which spread through the microorganism from person to person are called communicable disease. Okay, from here, the disease which spread through the microorganism from person to person are called communicable disease. Some examples of it are common cold, conjunctivitis, typhoid, chickenpox, etc. What are example? Common cold, conjunctivitis, typhoid, chickenpox, etc. Now next question. Next question is long answer type of question. How do microorganisms help in cleaning of environment? Okay, microorganism does help in help us to clean the environment. Next question answer over present in page number. Okay, in page number 32. All right, 32. Here the answer is given. From this point you have to write over here. The domestic waste like vegetable peel, rotten fruit, garden waste, fallen leaf, dungs of farm animal, etc. are decomposed by the soil bacteria and are converted into manure. Okay, are converted into manure. Next is microorganism decomposes dead plant and animal and convert their organic compound into simple organic substance. These substances get mixed into the soil and improve its fertility. This microorganism prevent accumulation of waste and dead organic matter, and hence they clean the environment. Now next question is B. Discuss the role of microorganism in increasing the soil fertility. Again, it is given in the same page over here. Microorganism role in increasing the soil fertility. See, from this point, the point number 7 is has to be written in complete way. Okay, from cyanobacteria to algae are used as organic matter to increase the soil fertility. You have to write from here to here. Okay, class. Now next question. Next question is second number question. Describe different method of spreading communicable disease. Okay, you have to write this answer on your own. I am just going to describe it over here. There are different means of transfer of communicable disease. For example, air. When a person suffering from cold and cough, they sneeze. What happened? The germs along with the water vapor or the particles of water or saliva which come out of the mouth, the germs will come out along with the saliva into the air, and if the healthy person is breathing in that particular air, what will happen? They will inhale the germs as well. In this way it gets spread from one person to another. Second type of transfer is if you are using contaminated food or water. Okay, if a healthy person is using a contaminated food or water, then obviously from food or water, with the help of food or water, the germs will get transferred to the other person. Okay, third method is by the method of vector or a carrier. Okay, a carrier is an organism which carry the germs in their body, and when they bite other organism, the germs get transferred into the second one. For example, malaria. The female anopheles mosquito, when bite a healthy person, the mosquito, if infected, okay, if the infected female anopheles mosquito will bite a healthy person, the germs will get transferred to the healthy person. The name of the germ is Plasmodium vivax. So Plasmodium vivax will get transferred into the healthy person and they will suffer from malaria. These are all the methods of transfer of disease causing germs. Okay, now third question, what is biological nitrogen fixation? Give example of microbe associated with this. Okay, nitrogen fixation, you have to go over here in page number here. It is given in page number 37, biological nitrogen fixation. Okay, from this point, the nitrogen fixation bacteria may be free living soil bacteria like an Azobacter, Clostridium, and symbiotic like Rhizobium. Rhizobium live in the root nodules of legume plant, and like beans and pea fixes the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. Okay, next is cyanobacteria and Anabaena nostoc fix atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate, and some non-leguminous plant like Gilco and Ulnus are also able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. They occur in paddy field and enrich the soil with nitrate. You have to write up to this point. From there, from here to here, all the 3 points should be written in the answer. Now next question. Next question is, what is the contribution of Louis Pasteur in the study of microorganisms? Louis Pasteur was the one who told us that microorganism is also present in the air. Okay, he also gave us the method of pasteurization. In this method of pasteurization, we are using heat and cold technique. Okay, in this, what we do, we take the milk and we heat it to 62 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes or 70 degrees centigrade for 15 to 30 seconds. It is given here. Okay, the milk is heated to 62 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes or 70 degrees centigrade for 15 to 30 seconds and then chilled suddenly. The milk treated this way is called pasteurized milk, and this method was given by him, Louis Pasteur. Clear? Now next question. Next question is, look at the images of microorganism, assign their group, write their importance. See over here, the first one is HIV. This is a virus, okay, and it causes AIDS. It is a pathogen. Next is yeast. Yeast is a fungus, and it is used in baking industry to make the food fluffy. Okay. Next is nostoc. Nostoc is a cyanobacteria. Okay, nostoc is a cyanobacteria which fix the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrate. Next is lactobacillus is a bacteria which is used for converting the milk into the curd. Understood? And this is entamoeba. Entamoeba is a protozoan, okay, which causes amoebiosis. It is also a pathogen. Alright, now next question. Hot question. How does the addition of salt or sugar to food kill the bacteria and prevent the food spoilage? When we add more amount of sugar or salt in the outer atmosphere or outer surrounding of bacteria cell, this will decrease the water content from the surrounding area. As a result, the water from inside the cell, it means this from the cytoplasm of bacteria, will rush out to balance the concentration of water inside and outside. In this way, the bacteria will lose water and they will die due to dehydration. Okay, and in this way, the food is prevented from spoilage. Next question number 2, we avoid eating cut and uncovered food sold in the roadside. Why? Because these foods are exposed in the air and the air contain lots of germ, and if we are talking about roadside, it means it is also having lots of pollutant in it as well. So the food which is present in the roadside having lots of pollutant, lots of germ over there, if you want to eat the food that is rich with germs and pollutant, then you will surely fall ill. Okay, so we should avoid this type of food. Clear class? So this is all discussion of question answer of this topic. In next video we will talk about next chapter. Until then, have a nice day.